Hi everybody, today I'm going to be talking to you about Bounce Curl. In particular, I'm going to be talking to you about their Moisture Balance Leave-In Conditioner. This is my first time using a product by Bounce Curl and I'm really excited because I've heard about them for a while now and have been dying to check out their products, but didn't exactly know where to start. By the way, yes, I'm in my bathroom. I just got it redone and I'm really excited and it's appropriate because this is where you do your hair anyway, right? Anyway, back to Bounce Curl. So the first thing I did, I went to their website, bouncecurl.com, and I saw that they had 3 different sections. One of the product sections is for wavy 2A to 2C hair. I'm looking down because I'm looking at their website, by the way. The next one was for curly hair 3A to 3C, that's me. And then the next one is for kinky 4A, 4C. They have something else that I absolutely love. It is a hair quiz. You click on the button that says click me, and it helps you figure out what products your hair needs. So eventually it gave me my own list of products, but since I've never tried them before, I only wanted to use one of their products. Sorry, that would be my son. My husband's giving my son a bath in the room directly next door and he's screaming because he hates getting his hair washed. Curly hair. I got the Moisture Balance Leave-In Conditioner Treatment and Primer with rose oil and fenugreek botanicals. I hope I said that right. And it's for medium moisture. The first ingredient is water, which I love. Some of the other ingredients include jojoba oil, and you know how I feel about my jojoba oil. Argan oil, rose oil, citrus oil, and some of the ingredients in here are certified organic. It says that this is a 3-in-1 treatment, primer, and styler leave-in conditioner to help moisturize. If you've watched my other videos too, you know I'm not the biggest fan of gel. I typically like to style with a leave-in. So I was really excited about this. The directions say separate hair in a few sections while wet. Apply a small amount of leave-in conditioner to each section. Layer on other creams or gels if desired. Scrunch, air dry, or diffuse. I'm always a little skeptical when it comes to using a leave-in or styling. I have my go-tos that I use. The first thing that I noticed about this product is the smell. And I love a good smelling product. It smells so good. It's kind of vanilla-y almost. I don't think it's supposed to be, but it smells vanilla to me. The best way I could describe this, if anyone has ever worn Armani Code, it smells like a muted version of that. So it is quite fragrant, and the fragrance lasts even when it's in your hair, even after a few days. By the way, I did not do a hair refresh today, and this is day 3 curls. And aside from this frizz that I have at the top, and that's just because I had hair loss, so my hair is growing back, it held my curl so well. So I'm gonna tell you right up front, I adore this product. And the reason that I adore it, aside from the smell, and aside from the fact that it's a leave-in conditioner that you can style with, let me just show you, and I don't wanna put a lot on my hand because I love this so much that I don't wanna waste it. It's very, very thick. It's buttery. It's not too thick though. It has a good amount of slip. I've mentioned slip in my previous videos. When your hair is wet, you want a product that's gonna glide nicely down your hair shaft. That way it distributes evenly and you know that your hair will be smooth and it will be soft after you style with your Denman brush. But this is like butter. After I put this on my hair, I don't feel like I need to wash my hands. I do anyway, because if I'm gonna be touching my face, I don't want hair product on my fingertips. It feels so moisturizing even for my skin. I do my refresh with this. I've now used this several times, so it's not like I used it one time and I'm raving about it. No, I use this several times because I'm always skeptical, especially when a product is kind of all over social media. I don't know if it's necessarily because of their marketing people or if it's because of the product being so great. In this case, I do think it's actually both. So, like even just doing this, it feels like a good moisturizer for my skin. I'm not saying use it on your skin, don't use it on your skin, but I refresh with this. And it doesn't feel like I have a ton of product on my hair. When I do refreshes, as you can look in my previous videos to see how I do them in detail, but I take some water and I take a leave-in or a conditioner and I just put it in my ends. And If I do that several times, it doesn't create product buildup. What I've also noticed is the next day when I take off my headscarf, I don't know where the product went. It doesn't feel over moisturized. It doesn't feel gross. It doesn't feel like I need to wash it. And I put it only in the ends of my hair. My hair still feels clean. Here is the big factor for me. It's been getting a little warmer here. I'm in New England. It's been getting a little warmer, so I've been taking my sons out to play outside in our yard. And the past couple of days, with an exception of today, it was so humid, and I knew I'm gonna go outside and I'm gonna come back in and I'm going to look ridiculous, frizzy, you know, the usual with curly hair once you're in humidity. I came inside and my curl was intact. Excuse me. And that happened twice. It's not like it was a fluke, because I mean, that doesn't happen to me. I always know to expect, no matter what, even with a gel, and I don't like gels. I came inside and my hair, my curls were intact. That's not. There's a cute little backstory about the Bounce Curl company as well. It seems that hair care has been a big tradition in their family for a while. So the owner in particular, and I'm not finding her name for some reason, but I'm sure that you've seen her photo on Instagram. She had been encouraged from her family to take care of her hair since she was a child. So she used to go into her backyard and, you know, mix aloe vera and different oils and put it in her hair. So her family played a big role in the company and the products that she used. One of the ingredients in particular that she found to kind of be life-changing for her hair was black seed oil. So that is in these products. And the founder has a bachelor's of science degree in chemistry. So that's pretty cool. There's a science base, which is really important for these formulations. And if you know anything about science, you'll also know that sticking wholeheartedly to the curly girl method doesn't make a ton of sense. I'll make a video about that in the future. So on their website, you can shop by hair type, you can shop by product type, you can shop trial and travel sizes. They have shampoos, conditioners, stylers, vitamins and teas, hair perfumes, microfiber towels, and they also have discount kits. So I'm officially a Bounce Curl customer. I actually keep saying Bounce Girl because I feel like I'm one of their people and they just get me based off of how well this product worked for me. I love it so much. I don't think there's a single thing I would change about it, which is odd, and I can't think of a single negative thing to say about it. I just can't believe it. Like, I just had it all over my hands, and my hands even feel amazing. You can use it the same way that I showed you in previous videos how to style your hair. I will link them below. I will also link my refresh video, and all you have to do is use the leave-in from Bounce Curl, and your hair will come out unbelievably smooth, shiny, fragrant, not to the point where it's obnoxious, and healthy looking, and it will feel protected and it won't feel like too much. And I just cannot say enough about this product. I definitely want to get more from them to see if the quality of products and the results that I had will be the same. This is a really great product and I definitely recommend it, and I think it's rare that I'm going to give a product a true 10 out of 10. There's nothing negative that I could possibly think. The website was user-friendly. It was easy. It got to me quickly. You know what? Let's talk about the price. Maybe I didn't like the price as much. Hold on. A little bit of it is expensive, actually. A little bit of this goes a really long way. I imagine this will take me a very long time to go through, but this discounted is $24. That's pretty intense. And the other ones are about the same price. So they have a light cream gel for $17.99. They have what looks like a tub of Bounce Curl avocado and rose oil clump and define cream for $23.99. I'm intrigued about that one. And a defining butter. It's actually written like that, butter, for $20. Hair and body perfume for $14.99. I would pay it again. Who am I kidding? I would 100% pay it again. I love this product a lot. Well done, Bounce Curl. Really great job. Really great product. I have tried everything. And I've done everything to my hair, and I've done trial and error, and I've damaged it. I'm a licensed cosmetologist, and this is really an amazing product for curly girls. I've done everything you could possibly imagine. I've done clip-in extensions, I've done braided extensions, I've done sewn-in extensions, hair color up the wazoo, wigs, like you name it, I've done it. You name a product, I've tried it, and I've never had a leave-in quite like this where it's just as good of a conditioner as it is a styler. So I'm pretty impressed, especially being so anti-gel for my hair, at least, like I am. I know the gels work really well for other people. I don't like how they feel on my own though. I understand their purpose though, but this is amazing. 10 out of 10. Little expensive. I would pay it again. So thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.